Water, water everywhere, but what should you drink? Distillation is the water purifying method that nature uses. Up, evaporated water goes, and down it comes as pure rainwater, in areas where there's no pollution, that is. This water is absorbed by trees and plants as pure water with no minerals or pH value. It is non-alkaline and non-acidic. The plants are getting plenty of minerals from the ground and processing them so you can absorb them into your body well. These are called organic, soluble minerals. Minerals found in groundwater cannot be absorbed well by the body. They are too large in size and hardness to be absorbed. They are proportionally like rocks compared to the soluble organic minerals in fruits and vegetables. The same is true for mineral supplements sold in health stores. They are insoluble, just as the minerals in water are. The best way to get a lot of usable organic minerals is to drink the juice from a couple pounds of veggies and fruits daily. You will also get nutrients and vitamins. Some health stores offer soluble organic mineral supplements, but the quality and usability is in question for any manufactured supplement. The only organic soluble mineral supplement that you can be sure of is honeybee pollen. Honeybee pollen offers all the minerals, vitamins, and enzymes necessary for your health. Fruits and vegetables process the minerals found in the ground for you so that you can easily absorb them. These organic soluble minerals are the kind of minerals your body can use. The inorganic minerals found in water that can't be absorbed move around your body and collect in places like your joints. Inorganic mineral calcium buildup causes joint problems. The inorganic problem-causing minerals found in the groundwater are absorbed in your system with distilled water. The organic minerals that come from the fruits and vegetables are possibly not affected. However, this is a slightly contested issue. More on this later. The problem with drinking groundwater is you don't know where it's been. Was it in a fracking pool? Or where uranium, lead, heavy metals, or any place the elements that are harmful to the body known as poisons are located? Then there are the bad things that we know are in our water because people put them there. Poisons such as chlorine and fluoride. Unfortunately, even the air has pollutants, so rainwater is not a better solution to distilled water. On toothpaste tubes it says, if swallowed, contact a physician immediately. The only way to remove the poison fluoride is distillation. Some people add trace minerals to the water or a small amount of sea salt. Electrolyte and pH value is a possible issue. You can add some sea salt and baking soda to distilled water. Mineral salt will balance electrolytes, as will any trace minerals you may wish to add. That is what the Gatorade company does. Baking soda will give the water a lower pH value, making it less acidic, more alkaline, which is considered a better condition for your body. How you decide the amounts of sea salt is to taste. If it tastes too salty for water, it is too salty. For testing the soda or alkaline pH balance, use litmus paper or just add a pinch, just enough so you don't taste it. There is evidence that says that distilled water, when exposed to air, absorbs CO2 and becomes acidic. That is because distilled water has nothing in it and will absorb many things. This is why it is very good to cleanse the toxin unwanted minerals in the body that is collected over time with distilled water. This is also why people say it is dangerous to drink, because it absorbs minerals. It is not clear if all minerals are absorbed from the body or not. So that is why it should be treated with minerals, baking soda, and become a pH-balanced electrolyte solution. Distilled water is better tested for acidity alkaline pH condition after the minerals are added. Inaccurate pH readings can occur because the water is essentially pure. It comes as pH neutral straight from the distiller, but the question is, has it absorbed any CO2 yet and become acidic? Pure water is like a sponge that absorbs unwanted inorganic minerals and toxins that are not beneficial to your body. It flushes your body clean. This use should likely only be considered for detoxification purposes, not for normal drinking use. For normal drinking use, it is good to add sea salt to the distilled water as a safety measure. The sea salt will change the ions into a beneficial electrolyte solution. Then you can check for acidity and add baking soda to reach a slightly alkaline condition or pH neutral. Litmus paper, liquid solution, or a pH meter can be used to test the water. One can also experiment to see if the water becomes acidic after it is exposed to air and if it absorbs CO2, with and without adding sea salt or minerals to it. If you do these things, you will know what you are drinking. And what you want to drink is mineralized pH-balanced distilled water, because when it is mineralized, it won't absorb them from your body, leaving you mineral deficient. The water won't become a sponge. The worst thing that you can do is drink tap water, bottled water, spring water, or even rainwater, because of the chemical poisons you know and don't know exist in their water sources. So who do you trust? the government, municipalities, bottled water corporations. I wrote all this, but whatever you do, don't trust me. I will not be responsible for your health because that is your job. Perhaps what you should do is find out for yourself and be in control of your health. I have no illusions that anyone will use this information, but my hope is that it will cause you to do your own discriminating research. But please don't take as long as I did to drink clean water, because it is the elixir of life and longevity.